morning everyone. We have to learn about 3rd standard computer class. Shall we start the online class? Now we are going to see second lesson. What is the name of the second lesson? Stepwise thinking. What is the name of the second lesson? Stepwise thinking. What is mean by stepwise thinking? Every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. Every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. Okay. By the end of the lesson, you are able to understand, divide a task into a sequence of stepwise subtask. What is mean by that? Divide a task into a sequence of stepwise subtask. What is the next one? Identify the main and detailed steps of an activity. What is the next one? Identify the main and detailed steps of an activity. Okay. Did you know that we often use stepwise thinking in many activities? So now if we have to plan a picnic to the water park, what should we do? Every activity has a sequence of steps that needs to be followed. What is the steps? What are the steps to organize a picnic in the water park? What is the first step? So what is the first step? Make an announcement about the picnic. First என்ன picnic அப்படிங்கறத first நம்ம announce பண்ணனும் அப்படிதானே? Make an announcement about the picnic. What is the second one? Ask the interested students to give their name list. So first one என்ன பண்ணனும்? Make an announcement about the picnic. Picnic பத்தின ஒரு announcement வந்து announce பண்ணனும். Next ask the interested students to give their name list. What's the third one? Book ticket. Ticket நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? Book பண்ணனும். What is the fourth one? Travel to the water park. Okay ma? Are you all understand? So now we have to plan to go for water park. What are the steps to organize a picnic in the water park? First step, make an announcement about the picnic. First and the picnic பத்தின announcement நம்ம make பண்ணனும். What is the second one? Ask the interested students to give their name list. எந்த ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வில்லிங்கா இருக்காங்களோ அவங்களுடைய நேம் லிஸ்ட் நம்ம கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Now what is the next one? Book ticket. Ticket book பண்ணனும். Next travel to the water park. So ஒரு particular task நம்மட்ட இருக்கு அப்படினா we will divide it into stepwise sequence of stepwise subtask. This line very important. So நமக்கு ஒரு டாஸ்க் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படினா அந்த டாஸ்க் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? Sequence of stepwise subtask. So நம்ம வந்து step by step sequence orderல நம்ம மேக் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? Next one. So I am going to clarify this concept through another video. That video contains what is stepwise thinking, meaningful இருக்கும். Then what are the main steps, how to create main steps and sequence of stepwise subtask. The details are contained in the video. So if you want to make a program in computer, you have to maintain sequence of stepwise subtask. So computer follow the step by step instruction, then only computer will give the output. So that video contains all those things. In the end of the video you are able to see assignment and do the assignment with the help of your parents.
Stepwise thinking. Stepwise thinking helps in converting complicated tasks into simple steps, predicting the possible solutions to achieve the desired goal. It also helps to know about missing steps and gives us chance to rewrite the steps before converting them into action. Planning and organizing a birthday party or picnic are good examples of the same. We already know that all the thinking works are done in 3 steps. Input. First of all, we input the question from any input part and keep it in our temporary memory or workspace. In case of human beings, we use ears, eyes, nose, skin, tongue for input, and in case of computer, we use mouse, keyboard, touch screen and touchpad for input. Processing. Processing is the main step in thinking work. There are basically 3 types of works in processing: memorizing and recalling the things or data, calculating the numerical data, logical operations and decision-making tasks. Output. Finally, the result is served to the user. This final result is called output. We use different parts for this action. In human beings, we use mouth to speak and hands to write, while in case of computers, we use printer, monitor and speakers as output devices. Reasoning and problem solving. Reasoning and problem solving are the main thinking work. In this work, we compare the things with given conditions. For example, if someone asks that Sejal is 7 years, Nipun is 9 years, and Karan is 12 years, then who is younger one? Then we will compare the data and find the result. This kind of problem solving needs to analyze the task, break up the task in small steps, and then find the solution. You already know that a computer is an electronic device which works on a set of instructions called programs. A computer cannot do any work on its own. It depends totally on our instructions. In this chapter, we will discuss about algorithm and flowchart, which are the 2 important methods to understand the computer programming.
No more. Algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions written in any spoken language, like English.
Algorithm. Algorithm is a group of steps to solve any particular problem written in simple English. It is a division of work into step-by-step process. These steps are written in order to perform a particular job. Suppose you have been told to prepare tea. First of all, you will chalk out the steps in your mind and then you will implement them. Let us see what would be the possible steps to make tea. Step 1. Go to the kitchen. Step 2. Take the required quantity of water in a kettle. Step 3. Turn on the gas stove. Step 4. Put a kettle on the gas stove. Step 5. Wait for the water to boil. Step 6. Put sugar, milk and tea leaves into the boiling water. Step 7. Wait for the water to boil again. Step 8. Turn the gas stove off. Step 9. Remove the kettle. Step 10. Pour tea in cups through a tea strainer. The above steps are important to prepare tea. This set of steps to solve a problem is called algorithm. Program. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer. Each instruction of the program tells the computer what to do. How is a program made? Program is written in a special computer language called high-level language. Basic and Logo are examples of such language. If you want to make a program, you have to first learn these languages.
To solve this question in rough notebook. Here is question number 1. Arrange the pictures in order from the beginning of the day. As you just wake up, so whatever the activity you have done, that you have to arrange in a sequence way. Now question number 2, number them in the correct orders. Like first we get up, second we drink the milk, third we take a bath or wear uniform. Whatever you do, you just have to arrange in that manner. Now question number 3, Jyoti wants to invite her grandparents for the annual program. In her school, her grandparents stays in another city. She decided to write a letter to them. Arrange the given pictures in the current sequence. Means again you have to arrange the pictures in the sequence. Now question number 4, all of you know the story of the thirsty crow. Yes, we have studied the story. And I think you all know the picture given here are jumbled. Arrange them correctly. So you have to arrange the pictures correctly. Thank you.